will be Teacher Joy and this will be you. Ready? Alright. Hello?
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Mary. What's your name?
My name is Joy. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Mhm.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. Okay, that's amazing. So let's go now to Unit 3 numbers. Okay, let's read some numbers. We have
1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 12.
fantastic. Okay, so properly learning? Okay. So how old is she?
She
Is
is 4.
good. How old is she?
Is 6.
Good. How old is he?
Is 8.
How old is she?
Is 3.
Good. All right. Peter has so many toys and he wants to play with you. But he wants us to count his toys. Are you ready? Okay. How many dolls does he have?
How many?
Yes. How many? 4, 5, or 7?
3.
Good. How many balls does he have?
1,
How many cars does he have?
5.
Very nice. Okay. Let's read some words.
Game, marble, farm, car.
Alright, you put them in. Okay, Barry, it's your turn to ask me the numbers of toys I have, right?
How many marble do you have?
I have 11 marbles. Number 2.
How many dogs do you have?
I have 6 dolls. Number 3.
How many kites do you have?
I have 6 kites. Number 4.
How many flowers do you have?
I have 6 puzzles. Good, high five. Great. Okay, let's go to Unit 4, Family. Who's next?
Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather.
Alright, Barry, how many people are there in your family?
5 people in my family.
And who are they? And who are the people in your family? Number 1, they are 5.
Grandmother, father, mother, sister, and me.
Good. Alright, let's read some food items.
Juice, chicken, pig, ice cream, pizza, rice, cookie, bread.
What food do you like?
I like pizza and chicken.
Wow,
ice cream.
me too.
And
You love so many food. What food does he like?
I do chips.
How about Alex? What food does he like? He likes. What does he like? He likes juice. Okay. How about Barry? What food does he like?
Rice.
Okay. How about Hannah? Okay, she likes. Okay. What food does she like?
Bread.
Okay. Now, this time, Barry, you're going to read about Kim's family. Are you ready? Okay, that's great.
This is my family. My father likes cookies. My mother
Loves.
loves chicken and rice.
You sit up straight. Yes.
My
Brother.
brother likes milk. And my bread
Brother.
likes
Likes.
bread and ice cream. This is me. I like meat and pizza. So, how about you? What food do you like?
I like pizza, ice cream, and chicken. Barry, look at this one. What does his mother like? What does his mother like?
I
Her mother, his mother?
like
And? Okay. Alright, that's okay. Thank you so much, Barry. Give me a high five. You did great. Let's say goodbye. Bye-bye. Okay. Thank you, Barry. No more?